Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to shoot Asteroid and Panoramic view, so let's get started. Let's start by clicking the photo or the video icon. Now select Quick Shots. On the left column, select Asteroid. Once Asteroid has been selected, you can click anywhere outside of this picture to remove it. Now, draw a box around where you want your focal point to be, and click on the Start button. Notice the percentage below the Start button. This will let you know where you are at in the entire process. From here, your drone is going to climb and take a series of still shots. Then it's going to render them to make your asteroid video. When it's completed taking the still shots, it will return to where the asteroid routine began. Be sure to keep an eye on your percentage. When this hits 100%, your drone is going to return to where the routine started. Here's the result of your routine. It's kind of a fun routine, but to be honest, I haven't found a real practical purpose for it. Let's walk through the same steps, only this time we're going to choose Pano and see how that turned out. This time, instead of choosing Quick Shots, go straight down to Pano and click. Center your drone on your focal point and hit Start. Notice here it says it's going to take 33 still shots, and here is where you can track your percentage points just like you did on the asteroid. Once it's taken the 33 shots, it will render and create your panoramic shot. Notice here when it's completed to 33 shots, your percentage points are only up to 50. It'll use the other 50% just rendering your shot. You can return to home anytime now, and it will render the shots while you are returning. And here is what your panoramic shot looks like on completion. Thank you once again for joining me, and I will see you on the next one.